Oh, what's that, traveller? Seems you've fallen upon a SAS attack video. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Good luck on your adventures with her. Who knows, I might be in this video. Post when waiting in a room.
Yeah, because what's going on? Because guys, I'm on my period. So if we don't hurry up soon, something crazy is going to happen.
Something wild. And the sharks are going to swim out of the oceans, grow legs and get her.
And yeah, in the private part.
Yeah.
I'm just making watching this.
Hey guys, so we just got out the pool.
Every time I'm bored, I think
We just went in the pool and then we got out the pool and then we just like got dried and then we got dressed.
Is this the shorts or does it just happen to be
that's
shorts?
all we done. Bye.
Okay, we just got back from our dinner. It was really cool and fun, and there was a nice waitress there, and I made a friend in the bathroom, kind of, not really, but it was, I still had a conversation.
Was that a picture of me?
Yes. We had a chicken burger and noodles, chicken.
Bacon and avocado and chicken burger.
Yeah.
And bam bang, boing, bong bong, bon bon.
Bang bang, bang bang. I look like, you have to cut that clip because I'm like, not quite. I'm looking English. Not quite the word I was looking for. Nice try there. We had bang bang chicken and noodles, and it was. I really liked it.
Banging, and then I waited for the noodles to get cold, and it was really high.
Stop.
Banging, and then I waited for. Banging, and then I waited for the noodles to get cold, and it was really upsetting for me. Wish I brought a swimsuit. It's actually cool.
What flavour underwear are you wearing?
So I've got this random dog that I've now befriended, and we're just gonna chill together at the beach. Hey dog, do you have a name? I actually don't know where Lila is, and I feel like I've lost her, and if she drowns I can't even save her because I can't swim. Like, am I the worst friend ever? Where is she? Because where is she? I don't know where she went. What's up?
I actually got really bored in there alone.
Do you want me to try and come in?
And do you want to?
I don't mind, I'm just really nervous.
It's not cold and it's really shallow till like far out.
Our bestie.
But
You think that people will steal our stuff?
huh? No. We got in the ocean.
We went in the ocean and it's literally the morning. Woke up
We planned to wake up really early and we didn't. But it's fine.
and I didn't have a swimsuit,
It's alright.
and I just went in
It's actually really
and skinny dipped. I didn't, I'm joking.
And then she swam,
And I swam.
which she couldn't do yesterday, so
It's a lot easier to do in the ocean.
because of the buoyancy. And if you guys have seen my list of the things I like most about the ocean, buoyancy is number one. So
No, I literally just think like it's me.
it's me.
I actually just think I'm special and that it like was keeping me afloat because it's me.
The ocean chose me.
Okay. No, that too. Sure.
And all my mascara is gone.
Was it mine or yours?
Mine.
Oh, that makes sense then. Oh yes, you didn't think you were gonna get in. What a plot twist!
Wait, stand. Give me a floaty. Grab the floaty.
Grab my hand!
Grab the floaty.
Oh my gosh, I look horrible. Oh my gosh, I was actually thinking, oh, I wonder if I'm someone's beach crush. No, she isn't. She's not. I look so bad. Oh no. Oh no. That's horrible. See how much I love you guys? I'm kneeling on the floor doing my makeup so that you can see me. So I know what you're thinking. Whoa, Saskia, you're so tanned. What happened? Me too. I'm thinking the same thing. So this is my last night in Bournemouth. And we're going out to a restaurant to eat. Duh. Okay, look at how anyways, oh my gosh, Saskia, you have braids. Why is your hair in a towel? Oh, I know. I've never washed my hair in braids. That concept has always like scared me because people get crazy with it. However, I went into the ocean or the sea or whatever. Don't come for me. I don't know which one it was. Anyways, but like I went into the, I'm gonna say ocean because it's like Moana. So cool. And my hair became full with a bunch of seaweed. So I had to wash it because it was getting crazy. The whole seaweed situation was crazy because oh, I look like a clown. Oh no.
are going to sing a different song. This is.
What are you doing? You're filming. You're filming.
I feel like we should sing. Shall we sing? I feel like I don't belong anywhere. Where? I don't feel like
I don't know that one.
You don't?
No. I'll film you singing it.
I don't feel like where?
Good one. Nice. I like it. Cute.
So, what song shall we sing next? Shall we just sing the BAM song to them?
The what?
The BAM song from them.
Been a long video, hasn't it? Hope you had fun on your travels. Catch me next time on Saskia Hector.